Hi guys, hope you're well and welcome to the first episode of the SQL for Data Analysis course. I am super excited and honored to record this course and share with you guys. This is going to be a very comprehensive course in 2024 for anyone that looking to start learning SQL for data analysis. The good thing about this course is that it comes with some exercises and a very practical learning roadmap that will help you get where you need to be as a data analyst. My name is Ali, a passionate data analyst. I'm constantly learning, sometimes coding and researching about data and AI related stuff. And on this channel, I aim to share what I've learned and what I've found valuable with you guys. And I decided to create a course, something very short, handy, and practical, and get you prepared to become a data analyst. And that's what you're watching right now. To start this course, you don't need any prior knowledge or pre-courses to start this course. All you have to do, just grab a notebook, right? And write down any tips that you find helpful. And while you're watching each episode, have another tab on your PC and follow along with what I'm doing in the video. I promise you guys, while watching this course until the end, you're gonna become expert and you will be ready to take on a project and start working as a real data analyst. So let's take a look at the first my PowerPoint that I prepared for you guys. And I brought the course syllabus for you guys, what you're gonna learn and what I'm gonna cover in this course. All right, so welcome to my PowerPoint. I've tried to actually design a good PowerPoint that looks suitable for learning. And in the first slide, I brought the course syllabus, what you're gonna learn. The very first things that obviously you're gonna learn is actually all SQL syntaxes. You will learn all the SQL syntaxes in different examples, and I'll be providing with you guys some exercises and different data set in the description of each video, so you can start doing it after watching that video. And if you have a question, you can ask me, or even you can ask your question from ChatGPT and get the corrected answer. Another thing about this course that makes this course special is this is a data-oriented learning, right? If you search on YouTube SQL tutorials, you're gonna see a lot of courses, a lot of videos that is only focused on teaching you SQL. But we're not gonna only learn SQL syntaxes. We'll be using SQL statements to work with the real data, not just learning only the syntaxes. Also, you're gonna do some data projects. By the end of this course, we'll be working on the data projects such as data cleaning, data integration, and data exploration, and sharing them on your portfolio, like you're on your GitHub, and to become a very real data analyst and let others that you have done some projects and you have enough proficiency to get the project and something like that. And we're not gonna leave you alone, because obviously after learning, you guys will expect to make money from this market and from this skill. So finally, we'll create a portfolio and explore strategy for finding jobs and making money as a data analyst. All right, so guys, thank you for joining me in the introduction to SQL for data analysis course. And I hope you are as excited as I am to dive into the SQL and building your skills. And in the next episode, we'll be exploring some of the very basic concepts and definitions about the SQL. And just don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of our upcoming episode. See you in the next one.